Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I want to share with you this beautiful room inside one of my dollhouses. And I bought this dollhouse for $25 at a flea market. I've shown you the house before, but sometimes I change things around in the rooms, or I redecorate them with different paper, stuff like that. So this was the house, the one that I have on a dresser so that you can see the front of it. But anyway, right now we're just focusing on this room. This is the Cathedral Room. See the high ceilings right there? And the brick face decorative paper. It was kind of hard cutting it to the size because of the edges and everything, but I think it did come out pretty good. Then I took some more decorative paper and I cut 2 pieces for the door just to enhance the door a little bit. And then I had that other piece right there, that glass piece. I added a half of a plastic Easter egg, which is a light. You can see the switch right on top. So I made that a lamp. The bed is handmade. I took a box and I wrapped it up with bounty paper, and then I took some fabric and made it look like a bed, and then I added another piece there for the headboard, and that's actually a necklace. I'll take it out at the end and I'll show it to you. Then that little white ribbon there as the curtain, the valance, that you can get in any dollar store. You can get like ribbons, and I have more. I made another valance right here in blue for some other room, but you can get these ribbons at the dollar store. The white was just perfect for this room. Then I have 2 pineapple plants right here. I bought them at Michael's. I think that they were like $2.99 each. I don't remember, but they go great in this room. Then on the floor there, the actual floor is an adhesive real tile, which is this here, the brown. See it? That's an adhesive tile. And this is just fabric, which serves as a runner, and it goes all the way to the door. Then on this side here, I have my normal pieces, part of my collection, dressers and all that, little lamps, a little plastic vintage phone over there. You can see it right there. You see it? And that's plastic too, the lamp. On the wall here, I took pieces of decorative paper and I decorated the walls with that on the sides. On this side too. Oh, on this side too. And then I have the autocollants from the Dollar Tree, like that butterfly there, that other one. And then that I got at a thrift shop. I'm not sure what the purpose was, but it has a little hole in the back right there. I'm assuming you stick a cigarette in there. I'm not sure, but probably some type of ashtray. And what else then we go through? Let's see. There are some books there. There's electricity, as you can see, but it's not on because right now it's not working if I ever get it to work. So I'm just going to leave it there. The candles. And then, what was the other thing? There was one. Oh, okay. So the headboard is actually a necklace. So I'm going to pull it out just so that you can see it. If you have fancy necklaces like this, and you can use them as headboards. See it? Isn't that beautiful? But before I wear it, I said to myself, well, if I flip it this way, I can use it as a headboard. So that's what I did. Alrighty, let me put the bed back there. And that's it. That's it for this room. I hope that you enjoyed it. And there's more coming, so stay tuned. And thank you for watching.